Welcome back to Diploma Mentor. Today is day 1 of our 15 days of Dart programming series. We will start by exploring variable and data types. These are the fundamental building blocks of any programming language, including Dart. Let's kick things off with variables in Dart. They are used to store data where learn how to declare variable, understand data types and assign value to them. Let's let's get our hands dirty with some real Dart code. We will start by declaring variable, working with data types using if statement and decision making, and setting up loops. Follow along with me in your Dart development environment. For your Dart coding, you just need to install a Dart extension from their extension section in VS Code, and I am using this extension for Dart programming. Here I have written some hello world program which I have give you task in previous video. Let's see the output hello world. Now we are going to learn data types in Dart. What are the data types? First, let's declare a variable in Dart. We use var followed by variable name. For example, var name equals and now we are going to print. Let's check it output whether our program is correct or not. Dart has several data types: int for integer, double for decimal number, string for text, bool for true or false values. Let's see in action. Int for integer. If suppose I want to store complete value, then I can use the int as a data type. Int id equals, suppose we have taken 101, then we have taken we'll take double marks equals, suppose you are the topper, then you will get 98.99. Now we are going to take string as input. So, string name. Our proper is Jerry. Yeah, I have already used variable name. That's why it's showing me error. Now we are going to take boolean as data type. Boolean is, suppose we are taking result equals true, obviously, because it has 98 marks. Now we are going to print one by one. Print id name result. Now we just check our program is correct or not. Yeah, this is 101 is integer, 98.99 is double value, and there is the string, and true is the boolean. Now we are going to learn if condition making that are used to make our decision. Now let's make decision with if statement. They are allow us to execute different code based on condition. Now let's see the example. We are going to make a small program which check if you are eligible for voting or not in the India. Now we are taking, so int age equals, suppose your age is 19, then you are eligible for voting. If age greater than 18, then you can print you are eligible for voting. And also we add else condition, because if you are not able to what, then you just say not allowed. Now just execute our code and check whether the condition is true or not. Yeah, it's showing eligible for voting because age is 19. Suppose our age is 17, then it will be not allowed for voting. Here is the output, not allowed. And suppose if your age is 18, then also you are not eligible. Let's see output, not allowed, because here is the condition only, the age is greater than. If we add greater than or equals, then we are eligible for the voting. Yeah, in the upcoming video we are going to learn all the if else, else if, and all different type of operation even if else. Now let's keep it with comments and let's learn loops in for loop in Dart. First we are going to know about what is the loop. Let's set up loop. Loop are used to repeat actions. The for loop is handy in Dart. Here's the simple for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus, and we are going to simply print I. And now let's check it whether ith value is printing or not. Yeah, it's printing all the I from the 0. If we are want to from 1, then we can. And I want to give information about what are these 3 parameters over here. Suppose I have used I am going to execute for loop from 1 to 20. That means it is a initial for loop state, then it's a condition, and it's the increment. Suppose we have used I plus 2, then what will be the output? It will be increment our I by 2. Let's check it, it's incrementing or not. Let's skip 1. Yeah. Yeah, we can use, we need to initialize I here also. We can't execute like other programming language I plus 2 or not. That is not allowed here. Now we want to print even numbers only in the 1 to 100 range. We want to just we will use both if and for loop here. We are going to check if I mod 2 equals to 0, then it will be I mod 2 equals to 0 means it's the even number. And now let's check it. Oh, sorry, here we have made a mistake because we have incrementing I by 2, and also we are checking it's even or not. Here is the output 2 4 5 6, sorry, 2 4 6 8 10, like that. And now here we have learned data types, if condition and loop. Now your task is to print prime numbers. Print prime numbers using for loop in given range only. Okay, now let's ready with this problem statement, or today I will give answer in the comment section for this. And in the next video we first see how to print prime numbers in the Dart. Now let's stop here today's session. Do like, share, subscribe for our Dart series. We will learn lots of things in